Hello, today I will show you top 15 things to do in Latina, Italy. So let's start with the number 1, Piazza del Popolo. Number 2, Ponza Island. Number 3, Lago di Fogliano. Number 4, visit the coastal town of Nettuno. Number 5, Museo Storico Piana delle Orme. Number 6, Santo Stefano Island. Number 7, Acqua Parco Scivo Splash. Number 8, Giardino di Ninfa. Number 9, Ventotene Island. Number 10, Monte Semprevisa. Number 11, Lido de Ienea. Number 12, Palmarola Island. Number 13, try some Italian food at the Il Quadrato restaurant. Number 14, Parco Arnaldo Mussolini. And the last one, number 15, take a day trip to Rome.